Hello students, we are starting with the new subject, that is grammar. In that grammar, we are going to start our first chapter, that is alphabetic order. Now what do you mean by alphabetic order? Alphabetic order means the alphabet which we have learned from nursery to first standard, yes, that is A to Z. And in that A to Z we have learned that how to write the alphabets in capital letter and small letter, that we will revise again, and the orders that I will explain you later. Yes, so this is the alphabetic order. So as I said, we will first learn that how many letters are there and how we write in capital and small letter. So there are 26 alphabet letter. Some are written in capitals letter and some are written in small letter. Yes. So some are written in capital letter means in this way, big letters, that is capital letter. Yes, and some are written in small letters, very small letters, that is this. So this is small letters. So now I will explain you how to arrange this alphabetic order. When I am talking about alphabetic order, so the order is in this way: A, B, C. So whenever we start alphabet, what come first? A. So the first alphabet order is A. That it is similar to alphabet which what we written from A to Z. जो हम लोग लिखते हैं A to Z, वही उसी order में रखना है. Just if there is in small changes, that there is given some names. Yes, for example Ashok. Yes, Ashok, Deepal, Hina, this kind of names are there randomly, and you have to arrange in alphabetic order. ऐसे अलग अलग नाम दिए जाएंगे तो आपको अरेंज करना है अल्फाबेटिक ऑर्डर में. अरेंज कैसे करोगे? इस तरह. As you have written A to Z, in this way you will arrange everything. Okay, I will explain you in very simple way. Yes, so this is the exercise. What is written? Write the following words in alphabetic order. First we will get to this, rest I will explain you now. So as you see this pink color box, you can see there are many words. Yes, the first word is ride, box, yesterday, listen, kettle, always, down, family, quick, chop, thank, garland, market. These are the words. Now how we will arrange in alphabetic order? When we are talking about alphabetic order, that is A to Z. So the first letter, what is alphabet? First letter A. Is there any first letter A? Yes. So how we will recognize? हम लोग identify कैसे करेंगे कि alphabetic कैसे आएगा? So every, you have to see every word first letter, that is W, B, Y, L, K, A, D, F, Q, C, T, G, M. So we have to see the only first letter of that word. So and then we have to arrange it alphabetic order. So I have already put the names, means letter, that is there. So it is not to A to Z. Whatever letter, whatever alphabet is present in that pink color box, that I have put here. So what we have to do? We have to first put A, this A letter. So there is any A letter? Let's see here. This is the A letter. So we will write here always. Yes, after writing that, what is written? Add one more word of your choice. Whatever comes in your mind with letter A, you have to put. You have learned so many things from nursery to first. You know that so many word means word comes from letter A. So for according to me, I have put always, that is the answer, and one more word of your choice. From my choice I have written aeroplane. So what is the next is B. Is there any B? Yes, box, box. So I have written B, and the plus one more word, basket, basket. Then is there any C letter word? Yes, chop, chop. So I have written and plus word car. Then D, Yes, it is there down. I have written, and then drum, D for drum. Then G, yes, it is there. You can see garland, 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 that I will write. Sorry, F, family, and plus fair. And then G, garland, and go. And then K, kettle. So I have written kettle plus one kite. Then L, listen, plus one light. M, where is M? M, market. I have written market plus money. Then Q, as it is, you have to do the everything. Yes. Now after finishing this, I have given the same homework for you. If you don't understand, you can see this content again. Yes. So the exercise is homework. Same question is there. You have to first you have to arrange in alphabetic order, and then you have to add one of your own of that alphabet letter. So this is the pink color box. This is the options one. So what you have to do, first you have to see A to Z. So you have to see what letters are present. So there is A, no. B, no. C, no. D, no. So there is E. So write here E. Then see whatever letter is there. As I have written here, see I have written what letters are present. I have first mentioned that letters. Yes, that alphabet letter. Then I have put the word. So you have to first mention that alphabet letters, then you have to arrange it. Okay, and then put one word of that letter of your own choice, whatever comes in your mind. Okay, so your homework is one more homework, that answer in capital letter. Whatever the question is there, you have to answer in capital letter, the big letters. Which alphabet does your name begin with? What is your name? What is your name and what the letter begins with? For example, my name is Chaitra and my letter begins with C, so I will write there C, capital C. So which alphabet does the city you live in begin with? So which city do you live? Mumbai. So you will write there M. Which alphabet does your school begins with? This is the simplest answer you have to give, and you have to do this homework very properly. Okay. So copy down the exercise in your grammar workbook and do the homework very properly. Okay. If there any queries, then when we will meet, we will solve our problems. Okay. Thank you.